Now, let us see the male reproductive system. It consists of a pair of testes. These testes are located in loose fold of skin called scrotum, and with the testes there is present epididymis. From the lower end of epididymis arises the vas deferens, which ascends in the upward direction, passes into the abdominal cavity, goes around the urinary bladder, and like this. This is testis, epididymis. This is vas deferens, which passes around the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. The opening of urinary bladder is the urethra, and the urethra, it joins with the vas deferens and it becomes the ejaculatory duct. In males, they have the single opening for the passage of urine and for the passage of semen, and this ejaculatory duct, it passes through the penis, and this is the external extromittent organ. This is the external genitalia, the penis. It is surrounded by two muscular layers on the upper side and one muscular layer on the lower side, and these two layers. Now, this urethra, when it joins with vas deferens, it becomes ejaculatory duct, and this ejaculatory duct, it is covered by two layers on the upper surface. The first is the corpora cavernosum and corpora spongiosum, and only one layer on the other side, that is corpora spongiosum. So and this becomes the external extromittent organ, that is the penis. And this penis, it is a spongy tissue which has abundant blood vessels. Near the tip of the penis, the corpora spongiosum is enlarged to form a highly sensitive region, and this region is called glans penis. And this glans penis, it is covered by a retractable fold of skin, and that retractable fold of skin is called prepuce, or it is called prepuce or the foreskin. Let us see the male reproductive system. It consists of testis, and this testis is surrounded by a loose fold of skin, that is scrotum. और इसके साथ अभी हमने क्या देखा? There was epididymis, and from the lower end of epididymis arises vas deferens, which ascends into the abdominal cavity, passes around the urinary bladder, and then it joins the duct of urinary bladder, that is urethra, and it becomes the ejaculatory duct. This ejaculatory duct is covered by two layers of tissue on one side and one layer of tissue on other side. तो ये जो दो लेयर हैं, similar layers, these two are corpora spongiosum. This layer, this is corpora spongiosum, and this outer layer is corpora cavernosum. At the end just before the opening of this penis, the corpora cavernosum, it becomes highly sensitive, and this region is called glans penis. It is covered by a loose fold of skin which is prepuce or the foreskin. Now in this reproductive system, it is associated with three glands. The glands are, the first gland is seminal vesicle, second gland around this urethra, this is the prostrate gland, and there is a third gland, very small gland, this is the corpus gland. So the three glands associated with the male reproductive system are seminal vesicle, and this one is the prostrate gland, and the third is the corpus gland. This is the diagram of male reproductive system. और जो पिछला डायग्राम हमने बनाया था, this is TS testis. This is the TS testis.